So Fede, did you know ukuthi Japan there's a concept similar to ukuthwala? So allow me to introduce you to an anime known as Udororo. Yangithola. So there's a village, yabo, where abantu bakhona they are suffering, yabo. There's malnutrition, there's famine, they are very poor. Yangithola. So the leader of this village, seeing ukuthi abantu bakhe are suffering, decides to make a pact namadimoni I-48 for the prosperity of his people. Yangithola. And in return, amadimoni demand ukuthi lo muntu lo kumele abanikeze yena his firstborn son. Yangithola. So obvious he agrees ngoba abantu bakhe vele they are suffering. Yangithola. Then the day umntanakhe azalwa, umntanakhe is struck by lightning, yabo. Then amadimoni khona idimoni angithi 48 amadimoni eli1 lithatha ikhala lalo mntana, yabo. Elinye lithatha indlebe zalo mntana, elinye lithatha amehlo walo mntana, elinye lithatha iskin salo mntana, elinye lithatha ilimi lalo mntana, elinye lithatha izandla. Like the entire limbs walo muntu lo they are taken by amadimoni like by amadimoni I-47, yabo. Then the last 8 which was supposed to take impilo the life of this child dies, yabo. So